Hello friends, welcome to PvaPins.com. PvaPins is a platform where you can verify any account by phone number. Let's start it. First you have to visit PvaPins.com. Now click on Login or Sign Up button. You will see a dashboard like this. Now click on Register New Account button. Now fill up this required field and tap the Register button. After creating an account you can see your dashboard like this. For recharge, click on the top-up option and click on Recharge your account. Now choose your preferable payment method and recharge your account. After recharge you can see your remaining balance here. Today, I will show you how to create and verify a WhatsApp account. Look at the phone screen first. In this field you have to enter a number and verify it. Now search your preferable country in PvaPins. Search your app. Select any package from here. You will get a number here. Enter this number into number verification field. Wait a little bit and click the refresh button. A verification code will be shown here. Enter this number into verification field. You are almost done, just look at the phone screen.